Good evening. We're going to have a very quick demonstration on how you will go about posting your proposals on the group discussion forum. When I say group, I mean the whole class actually, not just your group. So what you're going to do, this is currently in student mode, so it should look like what it'll look like for you. You will click into BC Learn, go to the module, the relevant module, and then you come to this menu down the left. You will see, if you go down here, and the quick links, it says discussions. You click on discussions, you will see it says business proposals. It explains that you must create a thread and post the 3 business ideas. To create a thread, you need to click into this heading business proposals and then click the button that says create thread. So I'll show you what that looks like. You click into business proposals. Sorry, it seems to be taking a bit of time. There we go. It shows you that's where you will create a thread. You can't see anybody else's thread until you have created a thread. So you'll click onto create thread. You will put in here your group, your class, as well as your group. Well, it's going to be obvious which class it is because only the same class gets shown. So you can just put your group number in and put your 3 proposal ideas into this thread, into this text box. Then you'll click submit. I'm just going to do that as a test. You click submit, and then you will be able to see the other ones. You see I've posted a sample one here. You'll be able to view that. It was just to demonstrate, and others now can comment on yours. So if you click into there, you can see there's a place for reply, and someone can give you feedback on your proposal ideas. So please use that. You'll just click submit again at the end there when you're finished with your replies. You can later on go back and take a screenshot of the feedback others have given you, as well as the feedback you've given to others, and that can be part of your evidence for your portfolio of evidence submission. I don't need to see it before that. It just needs to go into there, and you can use that information as part of how you make your decision about which of the 3 proposals you are going to use as your business plan. So that's basically how you're going to go about going to the discussion forum. Go down left menu to discussions. You'll see that instruction come up, and you're going to click into there and post your proposals. All the best. Hope this has been helpful. Bye.